and Jaya are working in a lab. They are arranging the chemicals and compounds on the shelf.
Hey, careful.
I'm okay, but the compound.
When the box was dropped, ammonium chloride and sand got mixed.
How do we separate them?
It's all okay. Don't worry. I will show you.
Priya sets up the apparatus for sublimation.
All you need to do is to heat the mixture in the apparatus. As you heat the mixture, ammonium chloride starts sublimating and gets deposited in the funnel while the sand stays behind. And now the mixture is separated.
When is sublimation used? Sublimation is used to separate mixtures that contain a sublimate with volatile component from a non-sublimate impurity.
Kavita's mom is frying samosas in a pan.
Mom, I am too hungry. Can I please eat the samosa?
Wait for 5 minutes. I'm almost done. Let it get deep fried so it'll be tasty and crispy. I'm too thirsty. Meanwhile, get me some water.
Yes, Mom, sure.
Kavita runs to get water. When she returns, she is tempted by the smell and runs even faster. She accidentally pours a bit of water into the frying pan.
Kavita, why did you come in such a hurry? Now see, how will we separate oil and water? I don't think you can eat samosas today.
I was very much caught by the smell of the frying samosas. I am very sorry, Mom. Can you please try making the samosas again?
No, not today. Maybe next weekend.
Kavita becomes sad. She visits her uncle, who was a chemist. She asks him for a solution. Uncle agrees and moves into his chemistry lab to show her a solution. Let us view the experiment and see what we learn.
You will need a separating funnel, clamp stand, a mixture, a filter funnel, 2 beakers. Use the filter funnel to pour the mixture into the separating funnel. Now remove the separating funnel from the stand and shake it. Then open the stopcock to release the pressure inside. Place the separating funnel back in the stand and allow it to sit. Oil forms the top layer and water forms the bottom layer. Now use the beakers to collect the water and oil separately.
Condition for separating mixtures using a separating funnel. Immiscible liquids, depending upon their density, separate out in layers. Separating funnel is used to separate a mixture of immiscible liquids only.
Priya has to make an article about the COVID era.
Bob, have you ever wondered how we get this oxygen cylinder during COVID times?
Oh yes, I do. First, do you know how gases are separated from air?
No, not exactly.
Okay, let us learn that through an animation from the students of 9B1.
Animation? I love animations.
Ria and Bob watch the animation. Air is a homogeneous mixture and can be separated into its components by fractional distillation. Oxygen can be obtained from air by separating all the other components in it. Further, first the air is compressed and cooled by increasing the pressure and decreasing the temperature. This liquefies the air. Carbon dioxide solidifies and is removed as dry ice. Then the liquid air is allowed to warm up slowly in a fractional distillation column. Nitrogen evaporates first, followed by argon because of their very low boiling points. Nitrogen and argon are removed as gases. As the temperature increases to minus 183 degrees Celsius, oxygen starts evaporating. This is condensed and collected in storage tanks as liquid oxygen.
Now do you understand how gases are separated?
Yes, I do. Thank you for helping me.
Requirements for separating mixtures using fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is used to separate mixtures where the subsequent components have a difference of their boiling points equal to or less than 25 Kelvin.